Assalamualaikum and very good day to my fellow lecturer. Today, me and my groupmates would like to present for our subject IMD227 for the assignment for promotional tools. This group assignment were prepared by ISKANDAR bin ADIL HAKIM, myself, MIFZAL bin MOKHTAR, Muhammad FARIS bin Muhammad RIZAL, and last but not least, NURUL BINTI HYUKRY HANISHAM. Okay, next slide. Okay, first thing first, to introduction that our team project proposal is recommended that the Jabatan Museum Malaysia, which is located in Jalan Damansara in wilayah Persekutuan in 50566 Kuala Lumpur. The National Museum was designed by the Malaysian first Prime Minister, began development in 1959 and was complete in 1963. The museum primary purpose is to educate to the public, promote it and learn about its past history, service and other aspects. Next, talk about banner, I would like to pass to my groupmates.
Next, I will present about the first promotional tools in the printed format, which is banner. We have chosen banner as a promotional tools to promote an event called Art Show Program, Music, Art, Education and Unity, organized by Jabatan Museum Malaysia. We chose banner as it is widely used as a medium to notify and inform the public about the details of an event. Moving on to the steps, the first one will be choosing the right background image and color. This is to ensure that the banner would be able to grab people's attentions. Second one, using appropriate font and font size. The information written on the banner must be clear and easy to read. The third one, insert vital information only. Important information that should be written on the banner includes the name of the event, the organizer, venue, date, and platform for further information and inquiries. The last one will be choosing the proper size for the banner according to the occasion or event. Next. Advantage and disadvantage of banner. For advantage, banner is an effective method for exposure and have a strong ability to reach the public with the right approach. Banner is also cost-effective and cheap compared to television and social media advertising. And the third one is the use of banner would be memorable or unforgettable with the proper design and approach. For disadvantage, the first one is inflexibility. Once printed, it will not be possible to change or add any information on the banner. Next, the public might ignore the existence of the banner and result to an advertising failure. And lastly, banner does not have any kind of method to measure the effectiveness in attracting target audience to the event. Next. This is a sample of a banner as promotional tool for an event. Next. This is the rough sketch for banner. And next. And the last one is the final product of banner as promotional tool for Jabatan Museum Negara event. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
All right, next I will be talking about the next promotional tool, which is the bookmark. Next slide, please. All right, so for bookmark, the option and the reason for choosing a bookmark as a promotional tool is choosing the bookmark as a promotional tool for event in Jabatan Museum Negara, which is program Art, Show, Music, Art, Education and Unity. The reason we choose bookmark is because very effective to attract people. The second one is easier to distribute to people and easier to produce because it does not consume a lot of budget. Next slide, please. So this is the step for making the bookmark. First one is create bookmark from apps that can edit. Second one is insert media and info that related to the program. The third one, save the document to avoid missing. And lastly, go out, print in a large quantity to be distributed to the crowd. Next. So these are the advantage and disadvantage for using bookmark as a promotional tools. So the advantage, the first one is it can influence people to come to the event. The second one is very easy to distribute to the bookmark to the crowd. And the third one has a low cost budget to produce it. For disadvantage, the first one is the crowd will not use fully by the bookmark will not use fully by some people. The second one is some of the people will throw it away because for them it has no needs. And lastly, easily to be missing because the size of it is small. Next. So these are the sample for bookmark. And these are the rough sketch to make a bookmark from the apps that can edit. And lastly, this is the final product of the bookmark for the program. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Thank you, Faris, for the bookmark. And today I would like to present about my part, which is the poster. First thing first, we use poster as one of the promotional tools for promoting the event that will be held at Jabatan Museum Negara, which is the program art show, music art, education and unity. Posters are used to capture attention and provide quick facts, and it also choose the mood what to communicate in the poster that we have been consideration while designing it. It also created the attention clearly communicated their message are the most effective. Okay, this is the step that how we make the poster. First thing first is use the Canva application and type poster into the search bar to begin designing. Next, select a template to create a poster and start customizing by clicking the template. After that, start with the template, then experiment with the design, layout and typefaces. And then add more design element to the poster to make it more imaginative. And finally, print high quality, or you can just download it in their format. These are the advantages and disadvantages about poster. For the advantages, first thing is has a creative flexibility, which is it can be shown to public place, which is a lot of people can see it, and then put up in certain area where the target audience is more likely to present. Imagine the poster is for high school student, then the poster we held in the school for the student. Another one is designed and printed may outlast and other type of advertising, because posters can be simple enough to inform many people. Next, for the disadvantages, for not first thing first, it's not enough detail because the poster is only focused on the main point, and some people doesn't know any point of the poster. Next one is the audience participation, which is some people doesn't prefer poster to use in poster as a marketing promotional tool. And last but not least, impact on the environment. It costs many ringgit to create a poster, and the use of poster. Some of people print many poster to save their budget. These are the sample for the poster. As you can see, this is the original template that I use. For the next one is the rough sketch, which is I have the highlight which part I got and put my element to the poster. And last but not least, my final product, which is I have put the logo, the title, the organizer, the dates and their website. And then I will pass to Ayu for the weblog.
Okay, next I will continue with weblog, which is a non-printed materials. Okay, the first non-printed material for promotion tools that we choose is a weblog. This website was created with the aim of attracting public interest in the Jabatan Museum Malaysia. from which we can learn a lot. In addition, another reason we set up this weblog is to share current events organized by the Jabatan Museum Malaysia itself. In this weblog, there are also many simple features that can be used by the public, such as message via live chat or emailing about matters to be submitted regarding the JMM. The website's graphics are also kept to a minimum so as not to mislead the general audience about the information it contains, because it was made expressly to promote the art show program, music, art education, and unity. This website is highly attractive and easy to use. Next. Okay, next is steps that taken. Website builders are an excellent tool to use for creating a business website, a personal website, a blog, a page for information, or a small to medium-sized e-commerce store. To create a website, choose a website that helps accomplish the goals and use a suitable website builder. And then decide on the website design. Before we drag or drop, we need to sketch out our website design. Another alternative is to use a professional design template. Okay, the next step is creating the content for the website. Includes image, text, logos, movies, and so on. And the last one is identify the domain and publish website. This step show how to gather the content of the website into one cohesive design. Next. Okay, next is advantage for weblog. The first one is make it simpler for user to get information more quickly and readily, since they can get in touch with you directly through live chat or email if they have any queries or issues. Okay, the second one is very simple to understand. And the last one is social media platform like Instagram are also have on this website with the intention of informing the audience where they can find out more about the program. Okay, for this advantage, some websites ask user to provide personal information in order to access their data. Okay, as we can see, any website that is created is very easy for hackers to hack to get the information that they want. Okay, next is lack of internet access. Also makes it difficult for users to enter this website. Okay, the last one is might also be used to spam. Okay, next. Okay, this is a sample for weblog. Next. Okay, this is a rough sketch for weblog. And that and this is a final project for weblog. Okay, next I will go through with social network, Instagram, which is a second non-printed materials. Okay, the main reason we choose Instagram as a promotional tool is to collect as many followers as possible. This Instagram has features where a notification will appear on the phone screen if there is a new post, and they will continue to be able to get information from our Instagram about the current event that will be organized. On Instagram, we also have the opportunity to share the best photos and videos from the event. In addition, we did not make our Instagram as private account, but instead left it as a public account where everyone can see our profile even if they are not followers. Next. Okay, next is a step to create Instagram. Okay. First and foremost, open Google Play Store for Android or Apple Store for iPhone and download the Instagram apps. Next is click Instagram to open the application. Then create new account and enter the confirmation code that's sent in your email or mobile phone. Okay. Next is creating a password and username and click agree to privacy policies and you can log in. Next. Next. Okay. Next is advantage. Okay, the advantage for Instagram. The first one is free to download. Okay, from the Google Play Store and Apple Store, and then accessible to everyone. Anyone can log in and create an account without having to pay anything. And everyone with a smartphone at any time. Okay. The last one for advantage is completely connected to other social networks. And then the disadvantage is only iOS, Windows, and mobile or Android mobile operating system support. Okay, next is the photo space are risk of being stolen because anybody can use them for their own professional advantage. This indicates that the image is being taken and utilized for commercial purpose without the user's permission. Okay, last but not least is hard to getting this account back because this sometimes the confirmation code on the mobile phone does not appear even we click on the recent code. Okay, next. Okay, this is a sample for a social network, which is Instagram. Okay, this is a rough sketch for Instagram. And this is the final project for Instagram. Next. Okay. In conclusion, it is crucial to carry out strategic advertising promotion to advertise the goods and service offered by our museum. One of the numerous methods and advice that can be used to carry out effective promotional activities is the use of promotional tools. The needs of the users must be met, and the promotional tools we choose must be able to pique their interest. The museum must provide accurate and comprehensive information on this. Okay, for instance, mentioning the name of the museum's social media accounts while providing details on the users and advantage of a certain product or service, users will find it simpler to discover and understand more about the museum if this is done. When designing the promotion tools we choose, other factors like themes, image, and event, the right colors should be taken into account. This is intended to urge visitors to read materials like poster and give it a try. A museum with bland text and a white backdrops will not pique users' curiosity about learning more about it. Therefore, each museum has to have a successful strategy for carrying out promotional activities in order to draw attention to them and encourage involvement from many people. Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you.